The US dollar index is a benchmark that measures the strength of the dollar against a basket of other major foreign currencies. In financial markets, you will often see this index referred to by its ticker symbol, DXY. The index is a weighted average, meaning some currencies have a much larger impact on the final number than others. Investors watch the DXY to understand how the dollar is performing on the global stage compared to its peers. While a pair like the euro versus the dollar shows a one-on-one relationship, the DXY gives you a wider bird's-eye view. The index includes the euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Canadian dollar, Swedish krona, and Swiss franc. Remember that a rising index doesn't inherently mean the economy is better, just that the dollar is stronger relative to these specific currencies. Thanks for watching. Understanding the DXY is a great step in learning how global currency markets function. Please subscribe for more.